Today, I'd like to share with you what I eat in a day in Turkey. Let's begin. For breakfast, I usually have oatmeal every single morning. I add my oats to boiling water and also add some sesame tahini. It is so creamy and delicious, and tahini is a great source of calcium, omega-3 and 6, B vitamins, zinc. It helps fight copper and iron deficiencies, and it is naturally low in LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind of cholesterol contained in dairy, eggs, and meat. While it's cooking, I like to add dried mulberries and blackberries, as well as a mashed up banana. While it finishes cooking, I chop up and pit some dates, which I absolutely love. They are rich in potassium, magnesium, and polyphenols, which are antioxidant compounds that help protect from inflammation. Next, some fresh strawberries. I've been eating berries every day, especially after reading Dr. Michael Greger's book, How Not to Die, where he listed berries as one of the foods you should be consuming on a daily basis. It's rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant necessary for immune and skin health. I've been really enjoying adding walnuts to my oatmeal lately. Walnuts are a great source of ALA type omega-3. Studies have found that walnuts support excellent brain health thanks to their polyunsaturated fat, polyphenols, and vitamin E, so you get better brain function. Finally, some delicious carob syrup, which is a very Mediterranean thing. I've personally always loved its taste and natural sweetness. People would be surprised to learn it has a decent amount of calcium and iron. That sounds like a lot of steps, but actually Gab and I prepare this breakfast together and it takes no more than 10 minutes. For lunch, I'm having Turkish-inspired döner, which is similar to Lebanese shawarma or Greek gyros. It's crucial to have lots of fresh ingredients like cucumber, tomatoes, olives, pickles, as well as some mint and any herb you like. Here we have purslane, which is popular in all markets around the Mediterranean. I've also been making these little tofu rectangles just by first dry frying them on a pan, adding soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic, and smoked paprika. So to assemble, we start with a layer of sesame tahini and lemon juice on top of a warm Turkish pita bread. We had some sautéed veggies like bell pepper, garlic, and onion, and lastly, the fresh ingredients. We finish with some dry oregano, and that's it. This is such a mouth-watering meal we've been making on a regular basis while here in Turkey. So yummy. For dinner, I made an Indian-inspired chana masala with rice. I cooked some jasmine rice, couldn't find basmati here in Turkey, and I also sautéed lots of veggies in coconut oil, like broccoli, onion, carrot, and garlic. Next, some coconut cream, tomato paste, lots of spices like turmeric and curry powder, and a can of chickpeas. This is one of the easiest dishes to put together, yet it is incredibly nutritious, flavorful, filling, and healthy. This is a lunch I had on a different day, but I decided to include it in this video. Some veggie tacos. We usually love making corn tortillas from scratch, but these pre-made wheat tortillas were all we could find. We always enjoy habanero sauce in our tacos, some guacamole, without cilantro because it's almost non-existent here in Turkey, and lots of sautéed veggies like white zucchini, mushrooms, onion, garlic, and red bell pepper. The way we prepare our tacos changes every time, and it honestly depends on what we have on hand. Sometimes we put tofu or tempeh, black or red beans, even some broccoli sometimes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not already, become a part of the Holistic Maya family, and I will catch you next time.